Edo youth. Great APC youth. Change has to be across the board, starting with our governance and our politics. The youth are the owners of tomorrow. The youth are perhaps the most critical segment of our political process. But what was the perception of youth in politics? You are supposed to be the thinkers, the people defining your future. But our political system and structure seem to have relegated you to a situation where you're just being used as thugs, used to fight. And after fighting, all the gains of the victory, you do not even know how they are shared. Look, no, we are very, very serious here today. We are trying to change from what you are doing now. We are trying to change our politics from what we are doing now. Do you understand? Let us not put ourselves in a situation where we're made to make noises, shout, fight, without seeing through what is in it for us. How do we better ourselves and our future? And that is what we have come here to do today. How do we make sure that you, the youth of Edo, own your future? The first thing I observe coming here is like when we say youth, we mean boys, only men. That is wrong. Almost 50% of our population are women. So are we saying women are not youth too? So why are they not here? Look around you. How many women are among you? So if 50% of you is not represented, how are we going to make progress? So the first change we must make is make sure that you bring in even the girls, the women, to join you in this fight. Do you understand? If we don't, we'll be operating at half capacity, half engine. And the reason why this is so is because of the perception that youth in politics are only meant to fight. They're only meant for thuggery. That is why they are not involved. The second point I want to make is that if you notice this government, what we have done, we are trying to create new opportunities. We are trying to use politics to expand the base and opportunities that are available to millions of people, particularly the young, productive population we have. And how are we doing that? We are not doing that by expanding government, by giving appointments to everybody and not giving them work to do. What we are doing is to look at our society section by section and say, how do we teach you to fish rather than give you fish every day?